Let's take a look at this Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 hand blender and mixer. This is the perfect 2-in-1 as the powerful 850 watt power base automatically adjusts to the right speed range based on the attachment you're using. That means that when you use the blender, you can use one of 2 blending speeds. And when mixing, there are 5 speeds to choose from. This gives you so much range and flexibility and saves you from needing multiple appliances. There's also a turbo mode for those tougher ingredients, but you can be sure that the blades will get through it. No matter what attachment you use, it's really light to hold and you can easily just use one hand. Plus, the accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is really easy too. All you have to do is pop them in the top rack of your dishwasher. The power cord is 1.5 meters long, letting you move around your kitchen workspace easily. And it comes with an inspirational recipe guide, which you can use for some delicious treat ideas.